welcome back to my channel. My name is Ariel Aaron. If you are new here, hello and welcome. So today guys, I have a really exciting video for you guys. I have another wig install. I feel like I haven't done a wig install video in so long, so I'm really excited to get back in it. I am collabing with LuvmeHair like always. I love collabing with LuvmeHair because they always send the best units for me and the girls, okay? So one thing about it guys, if I have the tea on the wigs, I'm gonna spill it, okay? So if you are a beginner to wigs and you're trying to step your wig game up, girl, I got you. This video is for you, okay? This wig is really low maintenance and it's easy to install. So if you guys would like to see how I installed it, keep on watching. They sent me the wig and I got wig caps, which is so needed. And then I got a little pouch of goodies. Let's see what's inside of here. This is so cute. Is this a card holder and a tweezer? Oh my god, it's a mirror. Look guys, it's a mirror. This is super cute. Like, this is perfect for on the go. I love that. I thought it was a card holder, but this is actually just like a little case for the mirror. Love that. Thank you guys for this. Lord knows I need it to, you know, reapply my lip liner, my lip gloss. And then they sent me a little silk headband to apply to my lace, so it's always melted, babe. Then they sent me an edge brush. This is always needed. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the wig. Okay, so first impressions, the wig is really soft. I'm running my hands through it. I did get a little bit of shedding. Not too much though, not too much though. And the hair is very thick from root to the ends of the hair, which is good because normally 20-inch hair gets thinner at the bottom and it just doesn't look good. But this wig is full all around. I love that. So here is the closure. Like I said, this is a 4x4 closure. We are going to be bleaching the knots because obviously we want this wig to look like it's our hair, okay? And nothing less. And then it comes with an elastic band, and on the inside there's 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and then 1 comb in the lower back. So this wig is not going anywhere. So let's go ahead and bleach the knots so we can install this bad boy, okay? Y'all, we are back and the wig is freshly shampooed. As you can see, the knots are bleached and they look amazing. It's gonna blend so nicely with my skin, and the hair, oh my god, so thick. I love it. So yeah, let's go ahead and take this off. Go ahead and apply one of the wig caps. We are not gonna do the ball cap method today just because this is a glueless wig and it's not really needed. And I want to basically make this install really beginner friendly. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this wig cap, apply it on like so. Good, looking good. So I think I'm gonna just throw some body wave curls in here. Right, so I'm kind of like assessing how the lace looks on my skin, and I feel like I'm just gonna go in with my Sally Hansen airbrush legs and just spray the lace just to tint it just a little bit, because I feel like it is a little white and we don't want that. I'm just gonna spray it like this really lightly. That's it.
Break my back, 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 break my back.
Alright, so now that I cut the lace, oh my god, there's like hair on my lip. Anyway, so now that I cut the lace, I'm just gonna go ahead with my foundation and just lightly tap the lace so it blends into my skin a little bit more. And then I'm just gonna take some more foundation on a brush like this and just kind of like swipe it. I'll fix my part later, but let's go ahead and straighten the hair. I know I said I would throw some curls in it, but I think I'm feeling it straight. So let's see. Let's see what it's hitting for. Alright guys, so I am done styling the hair. I'm just gonna go back with my foundation again and just touch the lace a little bit, just so it's really seamless. Alright guys, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, I enjoyed making it for you. Please do hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and I will be back with more videos. Bye. Oh, and I do plan on dyeing this hair in the future, so comment down below what color you think I should dye it. I'm thinking ginger for, you know, the fall time, but I want to hear your suggestions, so please comment down below and we could have some fun in the comments. Okay, bye.
Jealous, the city is my palace. Please no dick. This is the vibe, I'm that guy.